Hello everyone, just a quick video about today's literacy. I know a few people are struggling with it a wee bit, so I just wanted to stick up a quick explanation video to try and help you out. Now today's grammar is all about linking words in paragraphs. And linking words just help us to make connections between sentences and between ideas whenever we're writing a paragraph, which obviously is a longer piece of writing. For example, in this paragraph it says, I went to the market, I bought some fruit, I bought some vegetables, I went home to make dinner. It's not incorrect, but it doesn't flow very well, so we use linking words to help our writing sound better. I'm going to add some linking words in now. If I go, first of all, to my first sentence, I'm going to add in a linking word for the first thing I did, so I'm going to write firstly. Now there's plenty of words you could choose. This is just the one that I'm choosing. So now it says, I went to the market. Firstly, I bought some fruit. I'm going to add in a linking word for my next sentence as well. Or a linking phrase. I'll do a phrase this time, a couple of words. After that, I'm going to put a comma there because that's the start of a sentence. And the comma just shows that that is additional information to show me when I did it. So after that, I bought some vegetables. And then to finish off with, it says I went home to make dinner. That's the last thing I did, so I think I'm going to write finally. Finally, I went home to make dinner. So now the sentence flows a lot better. I went to the market. Firstly, I bought some fruit. After that, I bought some vegetables. Finally, I went home to make dinner. So the linking words help the paragraph to flow better. As an example, let's look at the get started activity. So it says, in the beginning, the swimming pool was open every day. It was popular, but it needed money for repairs. After that, it could not afford to open more than 3 days a week. Now, unless we raise more money, the swimming pool will be demolished. We will, as a result, not have anywhere to go swimming. Next, we'll try a new plan. We will hold a charity street party. Finally, people have noticed our efforts and they have bought hundreds of tickets. Because of this, the council has offered to double our money. Now, if we took out the linking words, this is how it would sound. The swimming pool was open every day. It was popular. It needed money for repairs. It could not afford to open more than 3 days a week. Unless we raise more money, the swimming pool will be demolished. We will not have anywhere to go swimming. We will try a new plan. We will hold a charity street party. People have noticed our efforts and they have bought hundreds of tickets. The council has offered to double our money. You can see that it still makes sense, but it doesn't flow as well. So the linking words there that you can see I've crossed out just help the paragraph to flow better. Taking a look at the try these questions, it says copy and complete the sentences by adding connecting adverbs and adverbial phrases or conjunctions to create a paragraph about a day out. So the first one's been done for us. It says, first of all, we went on the swings and then we went on the seesaw. So I'm going to add in some phrases to make this sound like a paragraph. For example, we had a great time, let's say, playing. We stopped because, so there's a linking word, because I wanted to drink. We stopped for lunch, let's say, at 1 o'clock. Then we'll probably put a time phrase in here. So after that, we walked around the forest. What about although? Although it was cold. We got back to the bus stop eventually. Finally, we went home because I was shattered. Now there's plenty of options for words that you could use there, but the aim is to fill in the gaps to make your paragraph flow a lot better. So now it says, first of all, we went on the swings and then we went on the seesaw. We had a great time playing. We stopped because I wanted to drink. We stopped for lunch at 1 o'clock. After that, we walked around the forest, although it was cold. We got back to the bus stop eventually. Finally, we went home because I was shattered. So it flows a little better now that you've added in some linking words. For the Now Try These questions, you have to use linking words and phrases to help you write a short paragraph about something. I think I'm going to choose number 2, one short paragraph about a new theme park ride. So, for example, a new roller coaster has opened at Barry's. Firstly, it takes you 100 feet in the air. Then it drops you into a tunnel. After that, there's a massive loop-the-loop. And finally, you splash through water. Okay, so we have some linking words here just to make our sentence flow a bit better, or paragraph, sorry, flow a bit better. So, firstly, then, after that, and finally. Now, if we took those out, this is how it would sound. A new roller coaster has opened at Barry's. It takes you 100 feet in the air. It drops you into a tunnel. There's a massive loop-the-loop, and you splash through water. But with our linking words in, it flows a bit better. A new roller coaster has opened at Barry's. Firstly, it takes you 100 feet in the air. Then it drops you into a tunnel. After that, there's a massive loop-the-loop, and finally, you splash through water. So just again, the aim of the linking words in a paragraph is to make your writing flow a bit better and sound a bit better when you read it out loud.